I've bought some bits of kit this weekend for the workshop. There's a lad retiring and he's selling a lot of really good quality gear off. I bought these two vases. They're identical vases and they've both been ground on the same machine, so that the same height. I've been looking for a decent pair of vases for quite a long time. This one on the bottom has also been machined for a piece of 14mm case steel to go across. That holds a vase nice and square. It fits in one of the clamping dovetails or one of the clamping T-slots on the milling machine. I've also got this one to do. They're in really good condition. Very happy with them. Very nice indeed. I also bought some files, Nicholson files, nice smooth ones. Two little ones that are ideal for deragging. Double safe edge, really smooth. You can't beat quality files. I also bought a new, or a second-hand new digital caliper, waterproof one, Kennedy one, 300mm, because I haven't got a decent one that length. So that's the new purchases for this week. I've showed the vases to Deb and she's really happy with them. This is a stub axle of a Triumph sports car. Actually, it's been modified to fit into a different hub. My friend Scott made two of these, but unfortunately the lad that gave us the drone made the drone 12mm too long. So I need to take 12mm off there and extend that thread. The thread's metric, so I should be able to do it, no problem at all. It's either that or make two new ones. These are made out of decent material, it'll be AN8, so it's 12mm off there, extend that thread, shorten it, and re-drill and tap them. So I'll be able to show you how I pick up the thread on the lathe, because obviously I've got to pick up that thread to extend it. It's no good just chopping it off and machining a bit more and it'll be too short. So we'll get it mounted in the lathe, get it running nice and true, and then I'll show you how I pick threads up. I'm going to use a collar chuck so I don't damage the machine finish on there what the bearing fits onto. I'm going to have to get that spanner and paint to bash that thing red. Where's the whoring thing? Right, I still haven't found it, but I've got my spare one. Put a clock on this and see how true it's running. Collar chuck's normally pretty good. Collar chuck is adjustable. I'll bring the camera in so you can see what I'm doing. So we'll find the high point, which is there. Right, that's pretty good. Right, that'll do for John. Right, so it needs to go to that diameter or slightly more for 12mm. Touch that off, zero the DRO, go down 12mm, nice material. 12mm. Right, that's a 1.5mm pitch insert. We'll set it up so it's square to the job on the end of there. I know it's dead on centre height because I use this all the time. I'm going to set the lathe up to cut the 1.5mm pitch thread and run it with a tool nearly touching the top of the thread. I'm going to stop the lathe using the clutch, then I can advance that to make it line up with the groove of the thread by using the compound slide. Then start the lathe up again, stop it, all the backlash is taken up, and as long as that engages into those threads, it will cut the same thread at 1.5mm pitch. Well, that's the idea anyway. Right, I've got the lathe set up to cut the 1.5 thread. I've got it run really slow. I'm going to engage the lead screw on a hole number. Right, the tool is advancing in, and I'm going to stop the lathe. Get past these holes. Right, we'll stop it there. I'll put a bit of white something behind there. You can probably see a bit better. Right, so if I bring the tool in, it's not quite straight on top of the thread. So if I bring the cross side, compound side along until it is actually in the groove, take it out again. Go back and then forward again. And you keep tweaking it until you get it right. Start it up again. That's looking not bad. Right, okay. So we're going to put a cut on, not full depth, just a scratch cut. Everything's ready to go. A little bit of ruby on there. That's scratching, that's fine, it's missed altogether. It's alright though. Right, we've lost synchronization there. We're going to start again. It should still be picking the thread up. Yeah, a double check really. Right, it's still spot on in the groove. Let it run at that. This will start cutting the thread. Disengage the screw once it gets up to the shoulder, which is there. Zero the cross slide out back to the beginning. Zero plus a little bit of a cut. It should go in again. Funny how it seems to speed up when it gets near that shoulder. Keep on going until we get the thread down to the same depth as the other one basically. Richard. Fucking hell. Oh, Richard, you alright? Right, that's very good, happy with that. It's a split pin hose to drill now. I've got the 2 split pin holes to drill in there, so the first thing to do is to find the centre of the part. Do that again. Right, then we're half that. And that puts us right in the centre. I'll lock the y-axis off. And then I need to touch on that end. Right, 0 the x-axis at that. I'm sure that pin's 4mm. I keep forgetting. It is 4mm, so if I go 2mm, that puts the centre right on the edge. Then I need a hole 5mm in from there. Which is there. So we need a 5mm split pin hole put through there, and then we can turn that round 90 degrees and drill the other 2, and this just keeps things at the same distance. I can take the block out, turn it up against that shoulder. Right, so now it's a simple case. Turn that round 90 degrees up against the stop. Drill the other hole. It's amazing how often I use that little hand drill. It used to be my dad's. It gives us great pleasure to be able to use it. Ideal for this particular job. Little countersink in it just to take the burrs off. Right, so that's now 12mm shorter, so they'll do the job for them. I've also got some hubs to machine, but that's going to be a job for next week. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We're getting very near to 90,000 now, and it will be nice to see 100,000 subscribers. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care.